Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So today I'm going to tell you how you can block someone on your TikTok. Right, so if you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So let's get in. Now what you have to do is open up your TikTok app and then log into your account. Once you're logged in, search for the person that you want to block, and then head on their profile section. For me, as you guys can see, this is the first video. I'm not sure who the person is, but for the course of this video I'm gonna let you guys know how you can block this person. Hit on the profile button, and then once you are in their profile, on the top right you guys can see the share button. Before before this version, TikTok has shown you three dots on, right on the share button, but as you guys can see, TikTok has been updated, and the updated version, it is showing me the share button. But don't worry guys, hit on the share button, and then you guys can see, on the drop down menu there is report, QR code, block, and send message. Hit on block, and then this user will be blocked. All right, so as you guys can see, it is also asking you that they will not be able to send you message, see your post, or find your profile. This doesn't include extended scenarios like multi-host live stream, dudes posted by others, or group chats you both participate in. They will not be notified that you blocked them. All right, so unless you really want to block this account, you can hit on block. But for me, as I don't know this person, and this person has has not done anything on my account, or has not violated anything, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave it as it is. But for you guys, if you want to really want to block the account, just hit on this block button, and this account will be blocked, so it won't see any of your videos, or any of the dudes that you do, or any of the posts that you share in the future. Alright, so guys, for the course of this video, that's it. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, and also to subscribe my TikTok account, that is funfacts161. So if you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Smart Tech. So see you in the next video. Peace.